Linking your bank account to Rootly is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Create or log into your Rootly account. Visit the Rootly website or open the app. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you are new, follow the prompts to create a new account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select bank account linking. In account settings, look for an option that says link bank account or payment methods. Click on this option to start the linking process. Step 4. Enter your bank information. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details. This typically includes your bank name, account number, and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Link button to finalize the process. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been successfully linked. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Rootly and enjoy seamless financial management.